Good morning student. Today we will discuss question number 8 of exercise 8.3. Now we have to find out the amount and compound interest on the principal is 10,000, R is 10% and T is 1.5 year. Now there are two cases. Now first case is if interest compounded half yearly, then you will divide R by 2 and multiply time by 2, that is 3 years. So compound amount is put the respective value in the formula, you will get this. Now compound interest is subtract principal, you will get this. Now in second case, if interest is compounded annually, so principal is 10,000, R is 10%, T 1.5 year. Now compound amount is put the respective value, the power is in fraction, so it has power 1, and now multiply 1 by 2 by R, that is by 10. So solve this, you will get this. Now subtract principal from that, you will get this. Now interest is more than when it is compounded half yearly, so you have to write yes. Now in ninth question, find out the amount which Ram will get on rupees this. So principal is this, R is 12.5, that is equal to 25/4%. T is 18 month, so multiply it by 2 as interest is compounded half yearly. So you will get 36 month, that is equal to 3 years. Now put the respective value and solve it, you will get amount is 4913. Now in 10th question, the population in 2003 is given. We have to find out the population in 2001. So let the population in 2001, that is X. Rate of increasing is 5%. The gap between 2001 and 2003, that is 2 years. So time is 2 years. So population in 2000, that is equivalent to compound amount. If you will compare it with the basic formula. Here X is principal, R we have 5%. So population in 2003 is equal to X into 1 plus 5/100 power 2, as time is 2 years. So population in 2003, that is 54,000. We have to find out the value of X. So solve this equation, you will get value of X. So in population in 2003, that is 48,980 approx. Now in second part, population in 2003 is 54,000, R is 5%. We have to find out the population in 2005. So time is 2 years, as the difference between 2005 and 3, that is 2 years. So population in 2005 we have to find out. So this is the population in 2003 into 1 plus 5/100, time is 2 years. Solve it, you will get 59,535, not rupees. Fine.